Hi everyone, DeFi Sai here. This is a video that I'm super excited about. Today I'm going to show you how to deploy your own custom layer 1 on Avalanche and how to deploy your own NFT drop on Avalanche, all using built-in tools that make things super easy. I'm DeFi Sai. I create a lot of content around the Avalanche ecosystem and crypto as a whole. So if you do like this type of content, please do jump on, like or subscribe, follow me on X, etc. All the links will be in the comments, etc. where you're looking. So let's jump in. Now, this is a video that I'm super excited about. So I'm going to show you today how to launch your very own custom layer 1 blockchain on Avalanche using AvaCloud. We're also going to look at how you can then deploy an NFT contract using ThirdWeb. All of this is going to happen in just a few minutes. Now, whether you're into meme coins, NFTs or DeFi, the simplicity of this and how amazing it is a game changer for the Avalanche ecosystem. So let's dive in. So first up, to launch our own layer 1, we are going to be using AvaCloud. Now, what is AvaCloud? So when you log onto AvaCloud, you'll go to the homepage there. The link is app.avacloud.io. And if you go to /subnets, you'll go to see all the subnets on there. So before we jump in, let me quickly explain what AvaCloud is. Now, AvaCloud is an all-in-one platform that allows anyone, so even whether you're a developer or not, now full disclaimer, I'm really not a dev, I've not got any coding skills, etc. So I can still launch, and you can, an Avalanche custom subnet without needing to worry about complex blockchain infrastructure. It really does simplify the process. So it leaves you to be able to focus on your projects and whatever it is you're doing rather than bothering about setting up nodes, setting up validators, all the security side of things. Now, essentially, AvaCloud gives you your own high-speed layer 1 blockchain, and that benefits from all of the great features that Avalanche has. So all of Avalanche is super powerful technology. You can benefit from that. So let's have a look at how this works in real time. So here's the steps you'll follow to launch your own layer 1 using AvaCloud. So agree to terms and conditions, click in. And then what you do is you link your wallet to it. So I linked my core wallet on this one. You do put your password in, but I obviously got rid of my own password. And I launched this on testnet. So it's not actually going full on to mainnet. So when you click on that, it will bring up all the general information page. You have your name here, which as you can see, this will be the public display name of the layer 1 and will be included in the P-chain transaction to create the L1. So choose what you want it to be called. So for this one, I just chose mine to be DeFi Side Team 1. You can change the name of your native token. So that's just where you enter your symbol for what you want the native token to be. So just for the purposes of this, just kept it super simple. Gave it a quick name. Simple, DeFi Sci. Next is your alias. So this alias will appear in your Explorer URL, RPC URL, and Advanced Dashboard if applicable. So it comes up, it's got a standard text in there, so you can just change that one. But once you do submit this, you can't change it again. And there is a character limit on it, which obviously I hit there. So just abbreviate that down a little bit. Keep your pre-compiled manager address. As you can see, that's already pre-filled in there for you. And then you want to add a control key address, which is your layer 1 control key, and that's a C chain address that's got permissions to make changes to your L1. Now, you can also choose where your users are located. So what it says for this is just select where you'd like your blockchain infrastructure to be based and choose it to the closest one to you. So let's just go back. I just grabbed my core wallet address. So when you open up your core wallet to grab your address, it's pretty simple. You can see all the settings in core wallet. You've got an address book. All you need to do to get your address there is if you just do the copy sign there, it's copied it, and you can paste that straight into your control key. I gave it a quick name just so I knew that I'd use my core wallet, so I could see at a glance it was done with core wallet, and I chose Portland, USA, and then you can create your L1. So then it will take a bit of time, so it takes approximately 15 minutes, and it says that your L1 is currently going on. So that's absolutely amazing there, and you can see it's coming up. Pops up the little wallet again, just choose your wallet if you have to. It sometimes does ask you this a few times. And as you can see, that it's deploying with an estimated time of 14 minutes, 46 seconds. So you just leave that to let it do its thing. It's got all the infrastructure set up in progress. So just leave it and check back. Now, once you put your email in as well, you will also receive an email through just confirming that your layer 1 blockchain is set up, which you can now see on screen. So that's how easy it is to set up your own layer 1. Amazing. Wow, so you can see on that just how easy it is to deploy your own layer 1 blockchain on Avalanche and using AvaCloud for it. So you think all these big businesses, all these big brands, if you take that to the next level, they can really exploit and do something amazing. Now, I am going to be looking to add some more content as I really start to build out this layer one. So do stay tuned for that, like and subscribe. But like I said, I think the amazing thing for me in this is how easy that was to do. So if I can do that, you can do that. That means anyone in the world can do that, which is really how we start growing Avalanche and how it really benefits everyone. So let's jump in and have a look at how to deploy an NFT contract. So now that we have our blockchain, what we're going to do now is look to deploy an NFT contract, and for this we're going to use ThirdWeb. Now ThirdWeb is a no-code platform, and what ThirdWeb does is it allows anyone to create and deploy smart contracts across multiple blockchains, including Avalanche. Now what I did for this, it's an NFT that I had created especially for this project, so for this video. Now it's a hand-drawn graffiti style NFT. It's a design that I created, and what I might well do with this is, because I'm an Avalanche ambassador recently, I wanted to celebrate that by doing a bit of a Team 1 Avalanche design, and this might well be something that I give out for free to the Avalanche ambassador team. Now I really love to create these graffiti style pieces, so if you do like them, if you'd like one, even if you're in the Avalanche ambassador program, let me know if you'd like one. If you're not and you think you'd like me to do an NFT drop like this, by all means drop me a quick like in the comments there, let me know what you think of them, and we might well do that. So let's jump in on how we actually get this NFT collection deployed on Avalanche. So now we've set up a layer one, let's have a look how easy it is to deploy an NFT. Now you can click straight through from this on your contracts, but what I want to show you is the whole steps from the start. So you just go on to thirdweb.com, and as you can see, when ThirdWeb opens up, it's got a whole host of different solutions there. There's loads of different contracts that you can use, so it's worth having a good look through. But what we're going to look at today is the contracts tab. And then again, as you scroll down, there's a whole host of different contracts, so you can deploy any smart contract. There's a whole amazing suite of things to do there. But what we want to do today is go to deploy smart contracts. So yeah, let's get started. So you can see there's a whole host of different contracts. There's the popular contracts there with a good mix in. You can deploy modular contracts. These are all preset contracts that you can use to make things really super simple for deploying anything. You can see the NFT section there, which is what we're interested in today. So what we want to look at is we want to deploy an ERC 721, which is an open to mint NFT collection. It will then ask you to sign in. So I used my MetaMask wallet for this because I knew that had funds in it. Because we're not on testnet, we actually need to have a wallet with actual genuine funds. So just confirm that transaction. And as you can see now, it is just doing its thing. And this is the stage where it deploys your contract. So you can see now your contract is being deployed. There's your contract, all good to go. You've got your transaction hash, etc. You've got your contract address up at the top, and you can see there that there's no NFTs minted at the moment. So we're going to set up the NFT metadata. So you choose your title for what you want your NFT to be called, Avalanche Scene 1 NFT. Then you simply add in the artwork, which you've done already. Takes a little bit of time to upload because I've done it as a massive file because I always like it to be super high res. Then add in a little description. Obviously you can be as detailed as you want. I kept the description relatively simple for this, just obviously because it is for a video, and I am thinking about doing these as a free mint for the Team 1 members. So then you'll set your NFT metadata. Just to prove that transaction, it takes a little bit of time to go through because my Wi-Fi was terrible. As you can see there, because it's AVAX and Avalanche, it's super cheap. So just get that transaction confirmed. Wait for that to go through. As I said, my Wi-Fi was terrible, so it was taking a little bit of time. If you're on good Wi-Fi, it's much faster than this. So you can see now, your NFTs are in there. Now, there's no one's claimed them as of yet. It's a total supply of 0. So what you want to do is go down to your claim conditions, and you can set a whole host of various conditions. You can see there's no claim phases. So I wanted to add a phase on this. And what I want is, I only want this to be minted by the Team 1 members. So I've set a public with an allow list, which is almost like a whitelist. I'm not doing any charge for this, it's going to be totally free. But if you were selling these NFTs, you'd put your charge in. I'm keeping it as unlimited because I want as many people to be able to claim it as possible, as long as they have the wallet. So you can drag and drop a CSV file. Now I pre-prepared this one as just a single wallet addressing, so I can use it for the purpose of this video. If you had a full whitelist, you'd have all the wallet addresses in your CSV already, which you can see there. Click next. And you save the phase. So what that means is that only the wallets on the CSV file that I've uploaded are going to be allowed to claim this. So if I do this as a free mint for all Team 1 members, I can take the wallet addresses of all the Team 1 members, put it in a CSV file, upload it straight in there, and only those people will be able to claim it, which is cool. So again, it takes a little bit of time just for this to go through. So now what I'm going to do you can see if you click on the permissions, you can set a whole host of other permissions for it. So you can determine who can grant or revoke roles, etc. You can determine who can transfer. I just kept this as non-transferable because I don't want people transferring it. Just to make sure that non-Team 1 members are not going to be getting on this, and it's worth just having a quick look through for this. For the purpose of this video, we're not going to do too many of the changes on here. So then let's have a look at how to claim an NFT. So I'll put the wallet address in that I'd set on the allow list, so I know it could be claimed, and then I'll hit claim NFT. Again, super cheap, 0.01 cents because it's AVAX, which is absolutely amazing. Hit confirm on that transaction. Get that transaction approved once it comes through, and you can see at the bottom there we have successfully claimed an NFT from the wallet that was on the allow list. So then go on to JPEGs, click on your profile, make sure you've got the same wallet connected that you claimed it from, and you can see that the Avalanche Team 1 NFT that we just created and just claimed is in there. If you click on that, it doesn't always show the image, so you just have to wait a little bit and hit the refresh metadata. Again, it takes a little bit of time because it's pulling all the information. You can see there, just to check back in a few moments, and anytime soon, the NFT we have both created, added, and just claimed, and there we go. There is the Team 1 NFT that I created, added on chain, and then claimed all in that amount of time, which is absolutely amazing. So you can see the information, the contract address, token IDs, etc. Obviously you could list this for sale, but we are probably going to do this as a sovereign NFT. So I'll give you some more information on that in a second. But yeah, have a quick look. This is the NFT we created. Bit of a graffiti theme. Hope you like it. I think it's a pretty cool vibe. So all I can say again is wow. You can see just how easy it is to both deploy custom layer 1s and also smart contracts like an NFT collection on Avalanche, which for me personally, I think is absolutely amazing to have the ability to do that. So why is this so exciting? Now, by using AvaCloud and ThirdWeb together, you can really create scalable, low-fee blockchain applications on Avalanche, and you can do it all with ease. Now, this is a huge win for anyone that wants to launch a meme coin, an NFT project, or even anyone that's looking to build the next big thing in Web3, whatever that is. But what, for me personally, what's even more incredible about this is how accessible this makes blockchain technology for everyone. You don't need to be a coder, you can access it at the touch of a button, which means that anyone, not just expert developers or devs as they're known, can deploy their own custom layer 1 blockchain, and it can be totally tailored to their needs. So whatever it is you're launching, you can launch an NFT marketplace, a gaming ecosystem, a super crazy revolutionary DeFi protocol. Avalanche provides you with the speed, the security, and the flexibility and the ease to make that happen. Now, what this means is that the barrier to entry for blockchain innovation is lower than ever. So that includes startups, artists, and even the developers can all create their own blockchain ecosystems without having to worry about the super complex infrastructure that you had to in the past. So just imagine a future where every single major project has its own high performance Avalanche layer 1 that's optimizing the scalability and the user experience like it's never happened before, which is absolutely amazing. So you can use this, you can harness the power of AvaCloud. So with AvaCloud, what we're seeing is the next evolution of blockchain adoption, which I can't emphasize enough, where anyone can create, customize, and innovate at a level that was previously only out there. This was only there for the biggest players and the super devs and the brains in the industry. And also when you pair that up with ThirdWeb's seamless smart contract deployment, things like launching your own NFT collection or a crypto project have never ever been easier. Now, this is just yet another reason why Avalanche is really leading that charge in Web3 innovation with its custom layer 1s. So if you're thinking of launching your own crypto project, then this is a really amazing time to build on Avalanche, because the tools that are out there are absolutely amazing. I hope you enjoyed that video. Like I said, my name is DeFi Sai. I do create a lot of content around the Avalanche ecosystem, about blockchain as a whole, educational content, keeping you updated on any new launches, etc. So if you do like this type of content, please do jump on. If you're on YouTube, please do like and subscribe. It really helps me. Let me know that you like this type of content. If you're watching on X, by all means give me a follow, get the notices on. You might be watching on the arena. So yeah, give us a follow and stay in touch. If you've got any comments, please do drop them on there. Hope you enjoyed the video. Peace out and good vibes.